Hello everyone and welcome to main point 2, instructions of the interactive module from Grass to Glass. So in our last video we talked about how to complete main point number 1. So when you have finished with the main point number 1 final assessment, you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to choose to click to access main point number 2. And as you'll see, this is set up very similarly to how main point 1 was. So it gives you a brief overview here of what you're going to be learning in main point 2, and then when you're ready you can click for the instructions. You can access the instructional video that I'm creating now, and if you're looking for a text version of those instructions, you'll find them directly below that, and you can access those whenever you need to. And then when you're ready to move on to the content and activities, you're going to click the button at the bottom. In subpoint number 1, you're going to be asked to scroll through this PowerPoint presentation, and then at the end there are three multiple choice questions. So if you go to slide number 7, it gives you those questions, and you'll just click on whichever one you think is correct. If it's incorrect, you'll get a try again, and if it's correct, you'll get a correct, and then you can move forward. For subpoint number 2, you're going to be asked to look through a module that I've created about the different functions of the ruminant digestive system. So it's going to show you a diagram of a dairy cow's ruminant digestive system. And it's everything from the esophagus to the small intestines, and then the 4 compartments in the rumen, or in the stomach. So as you can see here, you have like I said, the esophagus and the reticulum and all of those compartments. So when you click on one, it's going to take you and it's going to explain to you the function, and if you click the next, it'll return you to the main area, and you can click on the next compartment. For the rumen, it gives you a short video, so just watch that and make sure you're taking notes as you're going through this module, so that you can fully understand what's going on, and you might just need it for your final assessment. When you're finished with both subpoints 1 and subpoints 2, you can access the final assessment by clicking the button at the bottom of the page. And this is a crossword puzzle. So you're just going to type in your answers into these boxes here, and your clues are at the bottom. Your clues are the functions, and you're typing in the name of the part. So when you're completely finished with your final assessment for main point 2, you've successfully completed the entire module. Just remember that if you need to contact me at any point, use the chat with us menu over here to the side. Type in your question and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and good luck.